Okay, we're here at Anki's boutique or fishing shop. Okay, I'm going to buy some treble hooks for our lures. Ano? Ding dong. Alright, okay, here they have here their friendly budget, $79 for the I think these ultralight rods. Okay, there. This one here is Fuji Guides. It's $89. Okay. And so you guys have idea. This is the rod strap. Okay, good. New arrival. They have here the soup bait. I mean soft, not soup. Soft bait there. Yep. For long cast. There you go. Oh, this one is new. Rapala. Wow. This is a new rod. It's Alconite ring. See? How long is this, ate? Let me check. I just check. Yeah, I'll just check it. Check over here. Oh, say 8 feet 10. Oh, medium fast. Oh, this one is good for light tackle. Medium fast. See? 8 feet 10 to 30 grams. Alright. Alconite ring. Nice one. Fuji. And the price is, let me see. Oh, nothing. How much this, ate? For rod? $100. $100 or $100. Good already. Good price. See, they have a lot of selection now. Okay, let's go to the reels. Okay, this one is, what's this? It's a Stradic. What size is this? 1000 series. It's 229. Also $230 right there. Okay, they have also braid lines there. Selection of reels, braid line. There you go. Shimano Pitbull, $23.99. It's 150 meters. This one is micro jig there. Okay, a lot of stuff. So if you stop by here from Tinian, you can come here, San Jose, just across almost across of Jim Ada. There you go. And this the lures, same what I'm using there. Have new arrivals. This one is good. This one and this one, orange one. Okay, so I'm gonna buy now my treble hook for my lures. Okay, check this out. See, leader lines, fluorocarbon there, wires, okay, swede skirt for clip casting right there. There, So I buy the hooks already, treble hook, and they have this kind of lure already what I'm using. So come in a bale now here at Ankis store here. I'll show you guys where the lures are. There they have same as my own, 1 2, no more, only 2 because I buy the other one. Oh, 3, 1 2, yeah 3. See, they have 3 more left, so hurry up and come get this one. No more. See, but they have also this one. Yeah, see, but different the eyes. See, look at the eyes. All right, okay, yeah.